Hello, my name is Emily Khan, and today I will be explaining to you my 21st century classroom component, which is integration of social networks. I'll be covering the descriptions of social networking, two issues and components of the integration of social media, solutions and my opinions on the issues, two teaching strategies that I could use, three mobile apps that will help this component, and finally I will summarize everything that I have gone over. So, what exactly is the integration of social networking? Well, the integration of social networking is basically when someone, and in my case, is teachers, integrate different social media platforms into their teaching so that the students can better understand the topic. So, there are a lot of issues and a lot of concepts that surround this area, and I'm just going to go over two. So currently, right now in the U.S., there are a lot of teachers who are hesitant to integrate social media because they believe that problems could arise. And according to the journal, teachers are afraid that students have better knowledge of social media and therefore could end up using technology for the wrong reasons. They also believe that they need to create a boundary between social media and the classrooms. So that is why a lot of teachers tend to not want to use it because they think that kids are better knowledgeable of it, and they're afraid of them going and using it in the wrong ways. But there are also two concepts, and those concepts are using social media as a network as a learning tool. And there have been a lot of sites that have been created, and just normal sites that we use day to day that we can use. And teachers are also finding out that students are learning through different ways, and they're using different visual tools. I disagree with these issues because I believe that students can learn better by doing things that are natural for them, and social media is one of those things. So if you integrate it into their lives and into what they're learning, they'll be able to better grasp what you're teaching. So two strategies to integrate social networking in the classroom, these are just two that I've come up with, is creating a class website, which I'm doing right now in ed tech, and I plan to use it when I become a teacher. And I really believe that it could be helpful because the students can see all the stuff that they're doing and like post assignments that are due, and um, parents can also see what's going on in the class. And I would like put up some fun things that the kids could do, maybe YouTube videos that they can see, so all that's on one place. But also, there's a site that's geared towards students that are called that's called Drund. Excuse me, that is called Drund, and I used it when I was in high school, and it was almost like Facebook but for students. So students could log on and they could see what was going on in every single school in the district, which was really cool because the administrators also could see what other teachers were doing and what the students were doing too. So three mobile apps that can be used to integrate social networking are Drund, which I have used before, YouTube, which just have really good different videos that can be used so that kids can understand the topics that you're talking about, and Pinterest, which you can make like a board, or they could make a board. Oh, sorry, a board that could be used for them to kind of see what they're learning, or like if you were making a science board, they could put things on there that's science, or if you're doing something in art, they could put that on there, and maybe like as a project that could be used. So that would be really cool. That's how you can integrate those types of platforms into your classroom. And finally, here's my summary. I think that social networking can be really easily integrated into the classroom. We live in the 21st century, and I really believe that it's something that is so important to kids and students that they can be able to see stuff that's going on in the world that they have hands on. It's a really big thing. It's hands on learning. And if you're able to do things that are geared towards them, they're going to be able to understand it more. Like maybe posting YouTube videos. I know kids go home and they watch YouTube videos. So what if like a teacher makes a video for them to watch? That's an integration of social networking. Or like having a Drund program, like a Facebook like program, which would be Drund. You could be able to understand the communication that's going on. So they'd be able to see that. And I just really think that's something that's really important. So I thank you for giving me this time, and I just hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you learned something new.